In this video we're going to take a look at the arpeggios. So this is a major arpeggio, and it's made up of a major triad. Now the major triad contains three notes. It contains the 1, the tonic, the third, which determines whether it's major or minor, the 5th, and for the sake of using this shape we're going to repeat the tonic as an octave. Now to make sense of the octave, this is just the start of the arpeggio in the next octave. So for example, if I was to continue this arpeggio up the fretboard as far as I can go, it would sound like this. But for the sake of this shape, we're going to be playing just the first 4. 1, 3, 5, and then 1 again as an octave. Now, this arpeggio, these triads, is the same as the notes in the chords that we were learning in the bar chords. So for a G bar chord, contains a G triad, and it contains only a G, the 3rd, B, and the 5th, D. It's just arranged in different ways, and sometimes doubled to fill out the 6 strings. Now, it's really important to note with these chords that they're actually developed by stacking thirds. So when I play a G scale, a major scale, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1 again. So when I count up 3, I get to the 3rd, and I count up 3 again, I get to the 5th. So this is how chords are stacked. A 3rd on the tonic, and then a 3rd from that 3rd. And then when I continue up, I get the 7th from a 3rd from the 5th. That's for another video. So to play this major arpeggio, we're going to be playing it in G. So we find a G on the E string, we count up 3. So the G is on the 3rd fret. Now we need a B, which is the 3rd of G. We're going to be playing that on the 2nd fret of the A string. And then we're going to be playing the 5th on the 5th fret of the A string, which is a D. And then we're going to be playing the octave, which is another G, on the 5th fret of the D string. So we get this shape. With the fingering, try and keep your fingers one finger per fret. So for the 2nd fret is covered by my 1st finger, the 3rd fret is covered by my 2nd finger, and so on, so that it looks clean and even. The goal is to make it look as effortless as possible, because if it looks effortless, that means you're playing it in the most economical way. Now, the minor arpeggio.